Good day, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Park kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ito na po, mainit na balita po, no, na meron pong ginanap na press conference ang Department of Budget and Management regarding po sa latest update about the salary increase of government workers. So ang sabi po dito ay magkakaroon po ng first tranche ng ating salary increase for this year na ipinangako nga po ni President Ferdinand Marcos nung kanyang SONA, at ito ay i-implement retroactive. So starting po nung simula po ng January 2024. At ito nga pong first tranche ng ating salary increase o ang start po ng ating salary increase will be issued po through executive order. So, meron pong executive order na ilalabas in detail na meron pong 4 tranche na ating salary increase. So, ito po ang naging pahayag ni Secretary Pangandaman ng Department of Budget and Management regarding po sa ating salary increase.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, yung nabanggit po nyo kanina na 70 billion additional salary increase para sa government workers, ito na po ba yung sinasabi ni Presidente na in 4 tranches gagawin, and how will we do that? Kailangan mag-submit pa tayo ng another salary in the standardization law po ba? Ganun po ba yung?
Yung 70 billion po para sa adjustment na yan ng first tranche at saka second tranche for next year. Kasi gusto po natin simulan na this year yung first tranche ng ating salary increase. So it's 2024. Usually po kasi 4 years yan eh. 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. So yan po yung, of course yung 2026 level, wala pa po dun sa budget natin nung 2025. So yun po, 4 tranches hanggang 2027. And as of now po, we are perfecting the executive order po, and we are hoping po for the issuance of the executive order soon po. Alright.